We launched the Closed for Maintenance, Open for Voluntourism project back in 2019. Our tourism strategy towards 2030 is called HEIM, or Home in English, which emphasizes the importance of focusing on the fact that everything we do in our tourism should always benefit the locals and the islands, also in the long run.
My name is Alda Magnussen. I'm working as a coordinator at the management department at Visit Faroe Islands, and I'm the project manager of Closed for Maintenance.
My name is Johan Pauli Helgason, and I'm development manager here at Visit Faroe Islands. Closed for Maintenance is a volunteer project which started in 2019.
Jeg heter Petra Erlingsdóttir og fyrrværende lærere. Jeg arbeider som lærer i 40 år. Så har vi arbeidet i 5 år for Red Cross, hvor jeg har hovedsakelig repareret trotjer. Onklar åpner, onklar lukker, og det kjøper til at man hodler kjøper oss.
We're gonna pick up the signposts that we use for marking up pathways, like the hiking paths in the mountains. And these are made in a workshop here in Tórshavn, which is like a public offer for people with disabilities. So they're very happy to have these kinds of tasks, and also we're very happy to be able to get it from them.
Many destinations were talking about over-tourism and the exploitation that tourism has led to in many destinations. Instead, we aimed to show that visitors should be seen as a part of the solution rather than being seen as the problem. Built on the fact that we know that most people really want to do good, like yourselves. We have actually seen a record number in applications, more than 15,500 applications for only 80 jobs. 80 people from 25 countries.
Hey, I'm Petra from Italy.
My name is Alva and I am from Sweden.
My name is Jákup, I'm from Queensland, Australia.
My name is Loida, I'm from El Salvador.
I'm Jákup, I'm from Copenhagen, Denmark.
My name is Helen, I'm from Iceland.
My name is Daniel, I'm from Montreal, Canada.
I'm Raksha, I'm here from Ireland.
It gives like a whole different angle on good experiences for Faroese people, which I really cherish, and then mixing it with the ones from abroad, and I love that concept.
So we will be restoring this Gongutúrur, or Gongutúraskelti as we call it. It's the hiking route that goes from Kirstubø, where we're in, to Tórshavn. This is the most visited hiking route in the Faroe Islands. Tomorrow we will update this map. Here is red, we will change that to blue. So one of the main jobs is to drain these village paths, because when they get really wet, it can be slippery and the water pours down here. So we will restore it.
It's been really amazing, really good. We've had the worst weather and the best weather and great group. So it's been really good.
My name is Juan Pablo. I'm part of the Y team here in Closed for Maintenance. Today we're building a cairn for the travelers, hikers to navigate throughout this route. You get to travel to a new country. Like, this is my first time in the Faroe Islands, and you also get to experience the country with the locals, traveling, but at the same time contributing to the environment and get a piece of the culture of this country. So that's very nice.
We are here in the island of Nólsoy. Our project for today is to work on the path to the south of the island to the lighthouse, which has been really damaged through the years of all the tourism, all the tourists that come here. We have to fix bits of gaps on the path that are really damaged, to fix that first. The path is 7 kilometers long, so that's a lot of things to do. We have only 2 days to fix what we can. So we are focusing on the most damaged parts of the path. We're gonna make the path shorten, so people just walk to the edge where the bird colony starts. You're not allowed to trespass it, to go into the bird colonies. But that's the main task, to protect the wildlife in Nólsoy. That's why we're doing this.
Last year, I was part of the Closed for Maintenance initiative, where we partnered together with the farmer here. Volunteers helped us fence this area. We did it as a part of a restoration initiative that we called Lendisbæti, translated to land aid. We fenced off the sheep to see and learn what kind of impacts they truly make on our environment.
Man kan ju göra bäge naturpark, och man kan också göra ett tema nøytetid. och ett annat slag av kultur. Så folk var gäng och hit och ska så in och köra så. Du måste ha berg och så produktion. Alltså lantbruk. Bötten måste släppa in det. Alltså skolklassar måste släppa in det. Du ska bryta ihop på människor som måste starta en bötten. Alltså undervisningen. Det är viktigt att vi gör en sån projekt som vi gör. Man måste ju starta också.
It was very beneficial and helpful for me to receive such a big help in such a few days, because we have been working for a long time to get funding just to fence this area off. And when we got the volunteers manpower, it took a weekend and this area was fenced off, and that was just suddenly you could see with your eyes that the dreams that you had for so long were reality. And it was just the strange thing to walk around this area knowing, okay, now we have this area. Now what? Yeah.
We just wrapped up with a big party, which is always really nice when you gather and can see the work that everyone's been doing. And we get some certificates and just have a big party and dance all night.
If I had to describe my experience with clothes for maintenance in one word, it would be outstanding.
Community.
Buzzed. Heavenly.
Real. Diversity.
Indescribable.
Surreal. Friendship. Community.
And yesterday in the message group we have with our team, a guy said, "Do you know what ship never sinks?" And another one answered friendship. So basically I think this sums the whole thing up. It's very nice, and you keep in contact and you can visit people in so many places in the world, and I think just it's magic.